Aloha and welcome to you all. Aloima is my name, age of 19, originally from Tobago. This is my first year in the University of South Pacific, and today I am going to present with you my assignment 2 in ED 152. The aim of this presentation is to find the relation of human development to socio-cultural context. What is human development? Human development is known as the process of growth between birth and maturity. It is also known as human growth. It is the changes of a child from a newborn to an adult. It can involve as physical or psychological development. Human development in our own context. In our community, everything we do, participate in are all communal and collective. People work together, help one another in order to complete a task given. The community involving with the development of children. It starts from home, village, school, and church. They will show different factors and methods in contribution to the human development. Jean Piaget believes that children actively construct knowledge as they explore, act, and manipulate their world. Western theories. Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development students that children move through three stages of learning. His theory focuses not only on understanding how children acquire knowledge, but also on understanding the nature of intelligence. He believed that children take an active role in the learning process, acting much like little scientists as they perform experiments, make observations, and learn about the world. The first one is direct learning. Direct learning is the process in which people learn directly from their experiences through investigation and through interacting with their surroundings. By incorporating new knowledge into their pre-existing mental models or schemas, students actively create their own understanding of the world using the method. Compared to standard educational approaches, Piaget argued that direct learning enables people to build a deeper, more meaningful knowledge of things. Techniques for instruction. The second one is social transmission. Social transmission is the process where one's thinking is influenced by learning from social contact with an observation of others and not through affect experience. In my opinion, it is defined as the transferring of information within a group of living things, and it is also includes verbal communication, which is the use of words by writing them down and sharing them with the rest, and non-verbal communication, which is the use of signs and actions by the rest to teach them instead of writing them down and sharing them among them. And the last one is physical maturation. Physical maturation defined as a change in physical and neurological development that occur relatively independently of specific experiences. For example, a child must reach a certain minimum level of biological development to be able to name an object. For information about this type of social development, it refers to the physical development and growth that we go through as we get older. It is a process of becoming completely grown physically. Puberty is an example of physical maturation, as it is the process of physical changes through which a child's body matures into an adult's body capable of sexual reproduction. Four stages of cognitive development. The first stage is sensorimotor. Sensorimotor stage is the first phase of children's cognitive development. In Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, during this period, which spans from birth to approximately at age 2, infants and toddlers primarily, primarily learn through sensory experiences and manipulating objects. In summary, the sensory-motor stage is a time of rapid cognitive growth where children actively engage with their surroundings to build awareness and understanding. The second stage is pre-operational. Pre-operational stage is known as the second stage of cognitive development under Piaget theory. It starts from the age of 2 until age 7. In this stage, children can think simply and engage in make-believe play. The third is concrete operational stage. The concrete operational stage is the third stage of the cognitive development under Piaget theory. It begins at the age of 7 until age 11, and it's characterized by the development of organized and rational thinking. And for the last stage of cognitive development is a formal operational stage. The formal operational stage is the last stage of cognitive development under this theory, Piaget. It begins at the age of 11 to approximately age 12. On perspectives, as I mentioned before, that our community starts from home, school, and the village. They were contribute different factors and methods to the human development. For the first one is a home. This is the context that first take place in human development because a child first educate from home. The first classroom of a child is home. The second one is school. School is the second place of learning for a child. It is the most important place of learning for a child in nowadays because nowadays academic life is very important. So we have to attend school in order to get wisdom and knowledge. And for the last one is community. This is a place that teach a child to a better one in the future. It is a place that educate the child in terms of culture. In conclusion, in summary, my goal has been validated throughout this project. Human development is a powerful instrument that can help a child become a better person in the future, which makes it extremely vital in today's world. Since I was using a canoe as an example, the diagram above shown was pedaling a canoe requires all of its parts to be ready, just like pedaling a child. If we want the canoe to paddle and float on the sea surface, we need to make all of the components. Still, in order for the youngsters to grow to be a better person, they must also be exposed to all facets of life. And that's all from my side. And thank you very much for your time. Feel free to ask your questions. Thank you very much.